Hello everyone, welcome to MorningSpace Studio. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to run Elasticsearch in interactive mode. Elasticsearch is an open source project that includes a set of command line utilities to help you manage Elasticsearch, and it is entirely written in Bash shell. Usually, we run Elasticsearch as a command line tool. It does not require user input when the command is running. However, Elasticsearch can also be run in an interactive mode, which provides context menu that allows user input to drive the way it goes. It is useful when you want to demonstrate something, test something, or investigate something with your Elasticsearch cluster. It clearly gives people the execution path. To run Elasticsearch in interactive mode, you just need to add an option called --UI-text. Let's choose Snapshot command as an example. We can see the main menu under the welcome message. Each menu item maps to the subcommand that is also available when run Elasticsearch as command line tool. Input the number in front of each menu item. It will run the corresponding menu item. If we choose number 1, it takes us to the submenu of command cat, which includes all Elasticsearch cat APIs supported by the Elasticsearch cluster. Let's input number 1 to call the cat indices API. It shows that there's no index created yet. Let's input number 5 to go back to the main menu. To backup or restore snapshots, let's create a snapshot repository first. Choose number 2, then number 1. Elasticsearch will ask for a repository name. You can input a name or use the default one by pressing the Enter key. OK, the return response tells us it's created successfully. Here, the default value is actually defined in the main.properties configuration file. This can also be verified by choosing number 6 from the main menu to run config command. It lists all the configuration that are available based on the context. And this is the default snapshot repository name. We can change it if you want. Choose number 7 and input whatever you want. Now you see it's been changed. The other thing to note is the configuration file of the snapshot repository. It is called repo.json and located at snapshot folder under Elasticsearch configuration folder. Let's check it. Of course, you can modify it as you wish. To list all the snapshots that are available to the specified repository, let's choose number 4. Then input the repository name. Here, we use the default value, so let's press Enter key. These are all the snapshots that have been created previously in this repository. Let's choose one of them and try to restore from that. For example, the GitHub snapshot. Choose number 5 and press Enter key to use my backup as the repository name. Input the snapshot name, GitHub. Okay, it's done. Then let's try to run the cat indices command again. This time we can see the GitHub index and its documents that are restored from the snapshot. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. This is MorningSpace Studio.